On Top Talk Talk now, always our family day. So today we go actually deal with family today. Our stories today go they concern about the family. So welcome to Talk Talk this Bluefix Wednesday. How on a day today we get waiting day hot, we get our cocoa of the day, we also get body cajard and other things that we get to Sonchu today, and also we go get guests we go join us inside the studio. My name na Uwi Ehigamusoi and welcome to Talk Talk. The ladies they're going to talk about themselves one by each. I'm confused.
Why are you confused?
Confused? I don't know. What is confusing? I don't know.
And now welcome to Talk Talk. My name is Betiana Onweli. Beautiful Wednesday afternoon for inside here.
Yeah.
And my name is Amaka Okudiafo, the only and one and only Amaka on Top Talk. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yes, it's true. Now there's no other Amaka
yes,
but you.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, moving on.
Any other Amaka that counterfeit?
Yeah. For now. Yeah.
Which are you? Any other Amaka that counterfeit? Yes.
Amaka.
All right. Why we actually do which one we counterfeit or not, we're going to need to take small break. When we come back, we go give you our stories of the day. Not going anywhere. Yes. Welcome back. Time that which was went our waiting day hot. For today, as usual, you know waiting day hot be. Now time we will discuss some kind of stories. Then we go make you wonder why this kind of thing they happen. And you too, if you put your mouth inside. But the thing be said, you're going to enter Twitter at TalkTalk enter Facebook TalkTalk-Wazobia TV. Put your mouth for any story we treat today. Now our first story for today concerns one papa where he don't beat up his son and break his hand. You can imagine, father was supposed to protect his own pikin. Now, the papa don't beat his own pikin, break his pikin hand. But now, he don't enter inside court, they answer question on why he do this kind of badness for his pikin. Now, the talk says 28 years old welder, Lekon Oyebade, say now they don't send him go court for inside Egba Magistrate Court, for the way they sit for inside Lagos, for allegedly beating his 10 years old son with cable wire, and breaking the pikin hand in the process over the sum of 100 naira. When he accused the pikin, say pikin steal. 100 naira. Now this papa accused the pikin, say he steal, now come make him beat the pikin with cable wire and also break the pikin hand in the process. Now, they actually answer question on top of this particular one. They say the courts don't hear Oyebade committed the offense on top June 13. Now he commits this badness. But at the end of the day, they say if it face 2 count charge of assault and plenty other harm when it costs the pikin. Well, now, say this kind of abuse go help change pikin, or you just feel say parents need to look for another technique in discipline a child. Not be today we don't deal with stories like this.
At all.
Not be today. But it just is surprising. Say the more we deal with them, the more parents do they think of desperate disciplinary measures.
You call that one desperate?
Or extreme. No, extreme disciplinary measures. Yes, extreme.
Not be desperate.
Yeah, extreme.
You don't pass desperation. Because for person to sit down, feel say, to discipline my pikin, I will carry which wire I carry again? Cable wire. So I go use and flog am. I go use it after I flog am finish. I will come bend the hand. But yeah, that might mistake for a mind though. May I just twist the hand small, then the pikin head go correct. Say next time, if you see 100 naira, 100 naira. If you see 100 naira, you no go thief am again. Hello.
Can imagine.
How person go your own pikin. Shebi if you want beat pikin, wetin you do cane? Wetin you do? Wetin they call it pankere? I bet they call that long. That time I dey school, you get one long cane like this. You get 10 mouths. Wetin you do that cane? You don't dey extinct. I mean, you don't disappear.
Don't go out of fashion.
Don't go out of fashion.
We be saying na wire.
Na wire or belt, even belt sef. It too dey a bit harsh. But at least I know say for those days then they use belt. You just hear, wow, don't come out belt from waist. Before you even sneeze, they don't flog you with the belt. But at least, I just feel say the man too much. And people, in fact, most parents nowadays, I don't know whether that illiteracy be the problem, or I don't know what call them illiteracy or poverty. That their mentality, you know, if you just come down and say, if I do it into this pikin, tomorrow, wetin go happen? They know they look tomorrow. They know they feel say, not to beat them. I like the judgment where the court give. Yes, in fact, they're supposed to put them for jail first. Make it sit down. At least for 2 months. 2 months, 3 months. When he dey prison for like 2 months, 3 months, you go realize, say, other people, in fact, not be only him, other parents go look and say, if I overdo this thing to this pikin, even if the pikin no report, another person take carry am up, bless you. Another person take am up, talk, say, okay, this parent need to understand, say, no be so then they take discipline pikin.
Maka, you know, say, all the while when they talk, I just they smile, they look you when they mention pankere, they mention bells, they mention
that is
everything.
there now.
Why? Because at the end of the day, even all those pankere and bells where you they suggest, I don't see them where they spoil pikin body. I don't see where they land picking for inside hospital. So at the end of the day, no matter what thing you use, whether you use cable wire, you use pankere, you use belts, who go wound the picking, go wound the picking. Who go use them kill the picking, go kill the picking. To me, everything still boils down to poverty mentality. Poverty of the pocket, poverty of the mind. Because for that man to beat the picking to that extent because of 100 naira, you go know say nothing there for the man pocket. You go know say in a very, very extreme case, the man don't see him say, you know waiting, this 100 naira, maybe now waiting is supposed to go use meet customer or something. You know, as an extreme situation where you say you don't really hook the man, where you know say, you know what, I know if he take him again. Not be like say the man no go love him picking, but there's some kind of times situations go don't push you to the wall before you realize what thing you don't do. And I feel say now the situation, now the case of this man be that. But on the other hand, why I say poverty of the mind, they say because a lot of parents never actually realize that you feel actually discipline your child without say you carry cane, flog them.
Yeah, true.
Sometimes your mouth alone goes discipline the child.
Yes.
I remember when we grow up. Yes, my parents been there. They flog us, my papa flog us, my mama flog us. But it gets this uncle where I get Uncle Steve. If my mama threaten or say, you know what, I go report to give your uncle. My uncle no go beat you. The words when go talk for a man say, oh, I'm very disappointed in you. That's what disappointment alone. People say they don't flog us like 10 pankere for our body. People where the child they look at, people where the child respect. You use the person threaten the child. That pikin go conform. So not be all about. No, Uwe. You need to find the one person where that pikin they look up to.
What if he not there?
I say he go there.
Okay, what if he not there?
He there. Then you not get how one child no go get anybody.
For my own, he not there. That's
for
what I'm
your
saying.
life, you not get.
I say you not get any auntie. You don't say they get some families where they say that they keep their uncles or auntie on a distance level. What if he not there?
You don't need to be uncle. You must not be uncle or auntie.
If he be your teacher,
if he be your teacher, if he be anybody, we know you are a strange person, so yours is a different situation. Your own a different situation.
What if he not there? Because that one will not be the only way out.
But at the same time, flogging of pankere.
No, I know.
She don't already talk
out. So different ways.
You need to look for another way to discipline your child.
I just want me you talk that one.
Different ways. Because even you get person will come most certain time where you talk say you need they go tell you the pikin go naughty corner. Make pikin just stand
naughty corner. No, they work for some children.
And why naughty corner? They work for some
ways. There.
I say
even the cane where they talk to me we no use. They work for some
child.
children. That cane where we know they use, they work for some children.
Not
all the children. But the problem, like make me talk say I don't want to talk.
Cane no work for me. You go just beat me. Only you go tire by yourself.
Now you. But make me no want to talk say I don't want. Like make me talk say I don't want to use poverty.
No, but I think it be like say Cane no they work for two children. We like to be spoken to. Stubborn children, like people where they are my you know. You go actually need to flog them. Well.
Flog body with cane. The body go tell you I don't want to see that mark for my body again.
You get as you go flog
and
body.
funny enough, they not even beat me when I small. They don't even beat me. The only time my popsy beats me now.
But they're
I
not
don't know
beating, but
wetin
now you get only
They're
time.
not to beat me now. They want.
We talk say anytime they want flog her.
Wake up,
they go
wake up for your meeting.
Now the morning, no,
Leave your
definitely. Popsy, they actually wake up in the morning, but the only time where they beat me, the only time, even when, you know, for that our side, parents, they go extreme in terms of beating. Extreme, when I mean extreme. I did blessed to the extent say my parents never actually go that extreme with me. Now, basically, my elder brother and my sister and I suffer most. In terms of the pepper, in terms of the everything, now they suffer most. But the time where I feel remember where any of my parents beat me, now only that time my popsy wake me up in the middle of the night. I don't even know what I do, but he wake me up, beat me.
You don't remember.
I don't remember what I do.
Because you go don't do something.
I don't
remember. Papa don't go just say.
But not be something where for me, I don't say I
be
be the verse them because not be something where you supposed to beat me, wake me up in the middle of the night, in the early hours of the morning to beat me. I don't say I verse them, but as they always talk, I'm on top of the show. Even the last time we talk about beating of children, where we get one better person for you, we talk say that's not the only way out. I feel say time don't reach for parents to understand. Say cane, koboko, wire, scissors, razor, belt. Not be the only way out for you to actually, like you hear Bettiana talk, say cane not the work for her. Plenty children nowadays, cane not the work for
cry,
them.
Yes, you go pay me, I will cry, but you know me, say I will change.
I say, even as people, they talk, say, that razor blade tearing of hand and putting pepper, say, they extreme. My cousin go say, Chebi is just to tear my hand. Okay, tear my hand. Because in though they used to run, there are other ways for you to beat a child. But it still boils down to poverty mentality because 100 naira, and I go make the man 1 kilo bone picking for 100 naira.
So if the picking come mistakenly steal 1,000.
He don't die. He don't die.
Or hot pot of soup.
He don't die. But we thank God say Lord, they on ground where you feel actually send you.
Big kudos to that.
Thank God say Lord actually they on ground. Now actually very good one to the extent say if Papa or Mama beat Pikin to the point of and you feel send them go court. But,
yes.
How many? Let's hold on to go court today. All right, moving on. Our next story now something we go actually make you wonder. Say, okay, from beating of Pikin, why this one can they actually happen? Now, it concern one man for inside Zimbabwe where they don't arrest now and they don't charge him to court. Why? Because say him by force touchlight in daughter, in the English word, him rape a daughter, and he tell her say na family tradition. Now, they say this man will be Bulawayo and Zimbabwe man, they on top of the news. And why? For a very wrong reason. Because he raped a 15 years old daughter. And he could tell us in a tradition of the family, say the father will be the first person to disvirgin in first daughter. Now, he go call the answer question on why he go take the decision to by force touchlight in your own daughter and they give her false informate saying na him supposed enter her before any other person. Now, ladies, just a simple question. You feel say this man is actually do one based on tradition or he just want do one based on his own selfish reason? Because I don't understand why.
Wait for me. Not be the first time I hear this kind of situation before. It'd be like, say, I don't mention one situation. Maybe
even for
on
Nigeria.
Air or this. Now Nigeria, don't ask this one. I won't talk about. Off air or on air, I don't remember about one man where actually they torchlight in Pikin when I did secondary school, and we don't know why in the torchlight in. We don't know what's happen with the girl. We just not say the girl they act very very strange. She know they relate with her peers and everything. She could just come school. Sometimes she go come out school at any time because now but in school I go. Now until when in one torchlight her younger sister. Where the younger sister come around go meet and say, her sister, see what's in the happen. Now that come loud and for newspapers,
make
for inside Delta,
hear.
Make everybody hear, so that waiting do her no go happen to her sister. And at the end of the day, we find out say the man are occultic man. Apart from that man, another one don't happen where I don't hear too, and most of them are based on occult. Then they do that thing because no man go just say one by force torchlight in Pikin or one just torchlight in Pikin, whether not by force or consensual. But because of it, get waiting that they gain. From inside, they no go just do them. But this one where it happened for Zimbabwe, they said every year in winch day. Not only for Africa, only for Nigeria. Now we get winch. Now everywhere it is. So for me, I could feel say the man know he get waiting they do. And funny enough, now the same reason that they give them say na culture. I must be the
culture.
first
You blame
person.
everything on
Then some
culture.
go even tell the pikin say if I no do am, you go quick die, you know, live long.
Can you imagine?
So different reasons now they give. We just need to enlighten the younger ones, and then at the same time they need to know say then they're very, very free to speak out on all these kind of issues. For me, I go say the man actually they need to give him plenty, maybe life imprisonment, sir, because if he come outside, maybe another man picking go carry shook for under himself.
I
So
tell you.
they need to actually look into this case seriously.
You know, when they talk saying as Zimbabwe, I first think I say this thing dey happen for Nigeria
It
too
dey happen
now.
now.
But at the same time, if it dey really possible, say the wetin he talk dey true, we will not just totally scrap am out say no be tradition.
Tradition.
Yes, I know say the thing go left.
You know,
now, yes.
some tradition can
Some
be
tradition
very
are very
irritating.
stupid.
Yeah, I know.
Some very, very stupid tradition.
Yeah.
Like you get one place where they see am as normal to dey sleep with donkey, to dey sleep with animal. It dey normal. It dey tradition. Say once the boy don't reach certain age of 9, 10, he don't become adult, he need to sleep with donkey before he start to dey sleep with
And
human
that's
being.
tradition. Very
And that's their
True
tradition.
tradition.
No be Nigeria.
Because
e
be one
no
of
be.
all these
Now I say
African
which
countries.
So in case anybody from that side toast me, I go no as I go take run.
No, they actually still dey sleep with girls.
Now why I won't run now? Shoot.
But now the tradition say once this boy reach this age, he need to sleep with donkey. Then he go come get his own donkey. But the disadvantage for the thing be say when the boy started to sleep with the donkey, some of them they attached to the donkey. So they will come grow up, they used to the donkey. Why they talk this story? I talk am because the man don't talk saying a tradition to the sleep with the pikin. Make him be the first person to defile the pikin before another man from outside come defile the pikin. So it is very possible.
But I don't believe
Alright.
am because Nigerians today give that same excuse. Now why me I don't believe in that culture?
Yeah, I will not actually believe in culture or too much tradition where they say some kind of things where you your own self can the question say, can this really be tradition or culture? But you know what, you too follow us on Twitter at Talk Wazobia. We're going to need to pass a small break. When we come back, you go find out the person will miss, but they can't see him inside prison for Ghana. When they come back.